Hi guys, Nigel here with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench, back again with another review for you. And these turned up and I wasn't expecting them at all. And these have turned up from HGW, and these are their brand new 1/32 scale seatbelt sets for the Kotare Spitfire MK1a. And how beautiful are they? They're really, really beautiful is the answer to that. So in here we have a pack of actual seatbelts themselves. We have some 3D printed brass rings. We have brass rings on decals, and then we have some photo etch buckles and stuff down here. This is brand new. As I said, I've had a look on the Hannant's website here in the UK, and it's not even available yet. It's in the future releases. So these have come to me direct from HGW. So if you're desperate to get some now, go straight to the HGW website and you should be able to get yourself some. Part number is 132639, as you can see there, and it's from hgwmodels.cz, as you can see down below. So let's have a quick look. If you haven't seen these in use, go look at my Airfix 1/24 scale Hellcat build, which I still haven't finished, and you'll see them being used there. These HGW are my favourite seat belts on the planet. They're absolutely amazing. I absolutely recommend these 100%, and they just keep on getting better and better and better. Years ago when they first came out, they came on a sheet and you had to cut them out, and then they sort of changed to this sort of pre-cut, laser cut sheet design, and now they've gone into printing on both sides. So you can see this one here. If we look under here, we can see that that is printed on both sides. So very, very nice indeed. Very, very nice indeed. So what we've got with this set is, obviously, as I say, we've got the belts themselves. Here you have a paper backing which you peel off. We have 3D printed little brass ferrules. Now I did a little scratch on here. I thought they might have been 3D printed brass, but they're not. They're actually plastic and they've been painted, so you have to be careful not to scratch them. And then here we've got bright decals which you can use for the brass ferrules, or in the photo etch you also have ferrules on there as well. Now I'm not sure if this is stainless steel or brass. It looks like it could well be brass. No, it looks like it is actually stainless steel, but I can't make my mind up. Have a look, well, you see what you think, but I was just wondering if you could actually remove the plating. If it was brass, you could remove the plating and have them shining through. But you can see the difference in size when you look at these ferrules here and you look at those ferrules there. You can see they're much, much smaller. So these might be a little bit OTT, but have a look, see what you think. But they've basically given you the choice. So when you look at the instructions, you have in blue as a photo etch part and in red as a textile part. So you can see you have all your buckles here. Although they're saying this is for a Spitfire MK1a, it's basically a Sutton harness, so it could be used in pretty much anything of the period. And you could use it on any Spitfire, I'd say, as well. So you can see here with these ferrules you have the choice of either putting the photo etch brass behind, you can put the 3D printed parts on top, or you can put the decals on top. So you have the choice there. Again, you have the same options here, and then here you have, I don't quite know why they're giving you that as a question mark. I'm guessing there's two different options for two different eras of aircraft, but you can see there you have the options of doing that. And then here we've got the strap that goes on the back. So in the Kotare kit you get the actual seat with moulded on seat belts, just like you do in the Lancaster from Water Model, or you have the option of having a seat with no seat belts, and then you can use aftermarket. So I will be using these when I build that model, because I just love using HGW seat belts. They're really, really nice. You basically you cut them off the sheet. You cut them off the sheet, just trim them off of this sheet, screw them up into a ball, unfold them, and then when you lay them out, they never just lay flat. They're so much nicer than photo etch belts, and you can then use a bit of stain or whatever on them use one of your oil washes and just really make them pop. But you can see on here you've got the holes cut out there for the ferrules. We've also got some stenciling on there as well on the actual belt itself. So yeah, very nice indeed. And I want to say a massive thank you to HGW for sending me these. I wasn't expecting this to come at all. So total shot out the dark. And they sent me 2 sets as well. So very nice of them. Thank you very much. And hopefully we can continue to work together in the future, and hopefully they'll be sending me more. Maybe if they're watching this, if they're going to do a set for the A20, then I will happily use those along with my Airscale cockpit set in the Hong Kong models A20. So thank you very much for watching. I really recommend these 100%. Best seat belts there are. Go have a look. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.